Hey everyone, today we'll be introducing what we call Project Infra. We're attempting to build a system that determines plant health using a no-infrared camera and also implement vSLAM. To give you a more application-based idea as we go through the project, let's picture as a scenario first. Imagine an indoor crop or maybe even a greenhouse where you want to grow plants in a controlled environment. Frequent monitoring of the plant health would be essential in order to adjust the environment parameters accordingly, or maybe even spray some fertilizers if required. To provide some background, in the United States, a similar plant health monitoring system uses satellites for larger areas of land, usually in acres. We propose a relatively small scale solution that can be mounted onto a robot navigating in scenarios similar to what we initially described. So, we have used the following hardware in our system. The plant health determination is done using a NoIR camera connected to a Raspberry Pi, and the vSLAM is implemented using a stereo camera, the Luxonis Oak D Lite in our case, and an IMU. To understand how this works, you need to know something known as the NDVI scale, which stands for Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. NDVI is an algorithm that outputs a value between -1 to 1, which is used to determine the plant health as shown. The NDVI scale is then mapped using a color map to visualize the same. So when we calculate NDVI on the images of plants taken by our NoIR camera and visualize it using a color map, it gives us something like this. For comparison, this was a healthy plant, and this is what the output for a dead leaf would look like. But why exactly are we using an NoIR camera, and how is the NDVI calculated from it? Visit us and we'll answer all those questions. As previously mentioned, our system also performs the vSLAM and we use the OrbSLAM algorithm for it. This is where we mapped a small area outside the Snell library. We're performing vSLAM not just to help to navigate the robot, but also provide a location of the images we captured using the NoIR camera. And as you can see, we get a pretty good trajectory by the end of it. We're sure there are more questions involving more whys and hows coming our way. Do visit us and we'll gladly answer them.